scenery. I'm in my bathroom, but I just filmed a tutorial on this look. It's my unnatural natural look. So if you want to see it, just keep watching. First, I'm taking my NYX Pore Filler Primer, putting that all over my face. And use like a generous amount and just rub it all in. If you guys hear buzzing, I'm recording this in my bathroom, so that's why. And ignore my hair because I'm getting it done tomorrow and it just looks really bad. Yeah, you just rub all that in. Next, I am taking my NYX Born to Glow foundation in this color Porcelain. Squirting that on there and letting it explode all over my pants because I can't do anything perfectly. And then you're going to take a beauty blender and just blend all of that in. Just beat your face until your arm falls off. Still beating the face for an eternity. Next, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Porcelain Beige. And a tiny beauty blender, putting that all under my under eyes, like caking it on there. A little bit on the nose, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. All of the areas that you want to highlight. Then you're gonna blend that in with your baby beauty blender or regular beauty blender, whatever you have. Now I am taking my NYX HD finishing powder in translucent with a Revlon contour brush, but I use it for powder, and just applying that wherever I put the concealer to bake my face, and then just all over to set the rest of the foundation. Now I'm taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette and my e.l.f. sculpting face brush, and we're gonna dip that into the lightest contour shade. I'm almost out, so that made me sad. And then you're going to contour your cheekbones as well as your forehead, temples, and jawbone. Now we're using this baby contour brush. I don't know the name of it, but we're dipping it into the second darkest shade in the same palette and contouring your big old nose, and then the bottom of our lip. Now we are taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette and using a random brush that I don't know the name of. We're dipping into the color Porcelain and just putting that all over the eyelids. Dipping into the color Dune, putting that in the outer corners and into the crease. Taking that Dollar Tree eyeliner and lining the top of our eyes. We're not going to do a wing this time because it's supposed to be a natural look. Now we're going to apply these Ardell lashes. I don't know the number. Sorry, I got rid of the box. Applying the Kat Von D Metal Crush highlighter in the color Gold School to the tip of my nose. in the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow. Just showing you how it comes out here. Cool, right? And then we're going to apply that to the tops of our cheekbones. Blend that out with your finger, because I find my finger works best for that. A beauty blender just takes away too much of the pigment. Now we're adding it to the inner corners of our eyes. A little bit more on the nose because I like a shiny little nose, and Cupid's bow. Also blend that out with your finger. Now we're taking my Real Techniques fluffy brush and just brushing off that baked powder that we had on there from earlier. Using the Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Express Mascara. First I put it on normally, and then I like to brush all the lashes downwards to prep for my eyelashes. Don't forget about the bottom lashes. Now I'm just putting some Ulta Beauty Juice Infused lip oil on my lips. This thing does wonders for your lips. Like, my lips are so soft when I use this. Now we're putting on them lashes. When recording this, I had the hardest time getting these eyelashes on, but they're on there. They're popping. And lastly, we're using the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray to set your face, and you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later.